I am watching now, I am watching now. 我现在正在看影片。
I usually watch videos.
I usually watch videos. 我通常看影片。
She is listening now, she is listening now. 她现在正在听音乐。
She usually listens to music.
She usually listens to music.
她通常听音乐。
He is playing now, he is playing now. 他现在正在玩游戏。
He usually plays
He
games.
usually plays games. 他通常玩游戏。
Now means right now.
Now means right now.
Now 代表现在。
Usually means often.
Usually means often.
Usually 代表常常。I am studying now, I am studying now. 我现在正在读书。
I usually watch videos at night.
I usually watch videos at night.
我通常晚上看影片。